Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope you're all okay and safe. We are decorating my kitchen today for spring, and don't forget to come back to my channel on Thursday when I give you a full tour from spring to Easter transition home tour. If you've been with me for a while, you know I always start with cleaning whenever I am decorating. So that's what we are doing at the moment. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Shule and I really love decorating my home and sharing what I know on this platform. I hope you would enjoy what you see in today's video.
Just from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone.
All clean. Now let me decorate my tea tray for spring. I didn't have a specific theme this time. I'm just throwing some color coordinating items and making them look like springy. I was doing this one last Sunday and the house is a mess at the moment. Garage is a mess. It's very difficult to find anything, so these were the items that I had at hand. The reason is the house is a mess because both of my sons were living with me for a while. Eldest one has been living with us for the past 2 years. He's going back to Japan and he's packing at the moment. He is due to go on Friday. I'm gonna have an empty nest once again. I still have to get used to that feeling I hate. Leave me a comment please if you have an empty nest as well, if your children left for unis or works. My one going for work related reasons. One of them going to Berlin, the other one is going to Tokyo.
Just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free.
Just color coordinating random items, and these are from Poundland, and if you've been with me for a while you have seen me using it on the tray when I did London in Bloom last summer.
Think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this.
Let's decorate the coffee bar, then I will show you around. This cake stand is from Boyner in Turkey, and this jar is from HomeSense, and this one is a new jar and I bought it from Home Bargains. I love these pistachio treats and they are from Lidl.
There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day and it will restore.
This one is also from HomeSense, and all three jars are complementing each other and color coordinating. This little Starbucks case is from America and the spoon is from Amazon. My spring napkins are perfect for this coffee bar area, and I did not want to disguise them, so I had to be clever and using this candle holder slash vase from HomeSense to place them in.
There's a new day to take away.
Using my marble tray over the stove and displaying some fresh tulips that I love.
Get washed out by the rain.
I didn't want to light the candle because I didn't want the fresh tulips to be damaged with the heat. And here's the reveal.
It's the same old sound in the same old town. I wake up early with a sigh. The morning breaks to leave behind the night I need to get me by. Safe and lonely. It's the same old sound for days to come. I close the blinds and carry on. I'm not afraid to stay away. What comes around can stay unfound. It's the same old sound, the common ground. Just leave me be, don't ask me why. Behind these walls